FBI conduct 6-hour raid on Clinton Foundation whistleblower. Federal agents performed a 6-hour search on the home of Department of Justice informant Dennis Nathan Cain. According to Cain's lawyers, the FBI were searching for further evidence of the Clintons' pay-for-play activity. Cain had recently submitted the documents to the Justice Department's Inspector General and both the House and Senate Intelligence Committees, his lawyers confirmed. Reports the Justice Department's Inspector General was informed that the documents show that federal officials failed to investigate potential criminal activity regarding former Secretary of State Hillary Clinton, the Clinton Foundation and Rosatom, the Russian company that purchased Uranium One, a document reviewed by the Daily Caller News Foundation alleges. The delivered documents also show that then FBI Director Robert Mueller failed to investigate allegations of criminal misconduct pertaining to Rosatom and to other Russian government entities attached to Uranium One, the document reviewed by the DCNF alleges. Mueller is now the special counsel investigating whether the Trump campaign colluded with Russia during the 2016 election. The Bureau raided my client to seize what he legally gave Congress about the Clinton Foundation and Uranium One, the whistleblower's lawyer, Michael Sokaras, told the DCNF, noting that he considered the FBI's raid to be an outrageous disregard of whistleblower protections. 16 agents arrived at the home of Dennis Nathan Cain, a former FBI contractor, on the morning of November 19 and raided his Union Bridge, Maryland, home, Sokaras told the DCNF. The raid was permitted by a court order signed on November 15 by federal magistrate Stephanie A. Gallagher in the U.S. District Court for Baltimore and obtained by the DCNF. A special agent from the FBI's Baltimore division, who led the raid, charged that Cain possessed stolen federal property and demanded entry to his private residence, Sokaras told the DCNF. On November 19, the FBI conducted court-authorized law enforcement activity in the Union Bridge, Maryland area, Bureau spokesman Dave Fitz told the DCNF. At this time, we have no further comment. Cain informed the agent while he was still at the door that he was a recognized protected whistleblower under the Intelligence Community Whistleblower Protection Act and that Justice Department Inspector General Michael Horowitz recognized his whistleblower status, according to Sokaras. Cain further told the FBI agent the potentially damaging classified information had been properly transmitted to the Senate and House Intelligence Committees as permitted under the Act, Sokaras said. The agent immediately directed his agents to begin a sweep of the suburban home, anyway. Frightened and intimidated, Cain promptly handed over the documents, Sokaras told the DCNF. Yet even after surrendering the information to the FBI, the agents continued to rummage through the home for 6 hours. After asking and getting my approval to do so, DOJ IG Michael Horowitz had a member of his staff physically take Mr. Cain's classified document disclosure to the House and Senate Intelligence Committees, Sokaras told the DCNF. For the Bureau to show up at Mr. Cain's home suggesting that those same documents are stolen federal property, and then proceed to seize copies of the same documents after being told at the House door that he is a legally protected whistleblower who gave them to Congress, is an outrageous disregard of the law, he continued. Cain came across the potentially explosive information while working for an FBI contractor, Sokaras told the DCNF. Cain met with a senior member of Horowitz's office at a church close to the White House to deliver the documents to the IG, according to Sokaras. Cain sat in a pew with a hoodie and sunglasses, Sokaras said. Cain held a double-sealed envelope containing a flash drive with the documents. The IG official met him and, without saying a word, took the pouch over Cain's shoulder and left. The law protects whistleblowers who are government contractors and requires the IG to share such potentially damaging information with the Attorney General, who at the time was Jeff Sessions. The two law enforcement officials directed the documents be sent to the Senate and House Intelligence Committees for their examination, according to Sokaras, who said that a high-level IG official hand-delivered the documents to the two intelligence committees. I cannot believe the Bureau informed the federal magistrate who approved the search warrant that they wanted to search the home of an FBI whistleblower to seize the information that he confidentially disclosed to the IG and Congress, Sokaras told the DCNF. The Whistleblower Act is intended to protect whistleblowers within the intelligence community, which includes the FBI. The intelligence community is committed to providing its personnel the means to report violations of law, according to a 2016 Intelligence Community Directive. The Whistleblower Act authorizes employees of contractors to take government property and give it to the two intelligence committees confidentially, Sokaraz told the DCNF. The FBI has yet to talk to Cain's attorney despite the raid, according to Sokaraz. After the raid, and having received my name and phone number from Mr. Cain as his lawyer, an FBI agent actually called my client directly to discuss his seized electronics, Sokaraz told the DCNF. Knowingly bypassing the lawyer of a represented client is serious misconduct. The Justice Department and the IG both declined to comment.